Agoda is a major online travel platform that allows property owners, managers, and hosts to list accommodations, hotels, resorts, apartments, villas, guest houses, etc., to reach millions of travelers. Step-by-step guide to list your property. Go to the Agoda extranet or partner portal. Visit partner.agoda.com or search Agoda for partners. Click Join Agoda or list your property, usually a prominent button on the homepage. Sign up as a partner, click Register or Get Started. Fill in basic details, your full name, email address, phone number, property name, property address, city, country, property type, hotel, apartment, villa, guest house, etc. Number of rooms. Agree to terms. Submit. Agoda sends a verification email. Confirm your email. Complete property registration. After verification, log into the Agoda extranet partner portal. Follow the onboarding wizard. Enter detailed property info, exact address, GPS coordinates, star rating, facilities, pool, Wi-Fi, parking, etc. Upload high-quality photos, minimum 5 to 10, professional recommended, bedroom, bathroom, exterior, amenities. Set room types, maximum occupancy, bed configurations. Add description, highlight unique selling points, nearby attractions. Define house rules, check-in and check-out times, cancellation policy. Set rates and availability. Create rate plans, for example, standard, non-refundable, breakfast included. Set pricing per room, night. Use rate calendar to adjust for seasons, weekends. Input inventory, room availability for upcoming dates. Activate and go live. Submit for review. Agoda quality team checks, photos, info, compliance, usually 1 to 7 days. Once approved, your property appears live on Agoda, Com, and partner sites. You manage bookings, rates, and updates via the extranet dashboard.